Welcome to Chemistry Online. So, what we discussed in previous class means hybridization we are discussing. So, yes, hybridization definition and postulates we discussed. sp hybridization BeCl2 one example also we discussed. Then example 2 for sp hybridization we are going to discuss. sp hybridization example 2 we are going to discuss. So, here example 2 C2H2, name of this molecule is acetylene or ethine, acetylene or ethine. Okay. See here how sp hybridization is going on in this molecule means I am going to explain. See explanation. Carbon atomic number 6, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. It is a ground state. Next C star I am taking excited state 1s2, 2s1, 2p3. It is a excited state. It is a excited state. Okay. In s orbital how many electrons? 1. In p orbital how many? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Only these two hybrid orbitals, one s orbital, one p orbital undergoes hybridization. One s orbital and one p orbital undergo sp hybridization. Remaining two can form pi bond. So, we can't undertake this pi bond calculation under hybridization. Only we have to take sigma bond. So, here how many carbons? 2 carbons. 2 carbons act as a central atoms which undergo sp hybridization. So, here it is one carbon atom which undergo sp hybridization. So, one more carbon atom I am taking which undergo sp hybridization. This is one carbon, this is a one carbon. Remaining it having px and py, two orbitals, unhybridized orbitals. So, here I am going to draw px, it is a px of this carbon. Then here it is px of another carbon. Between these two pi bond is formed. Then py, this is a py. This is a py. Between these two, one pi bond is formed. Okay. Px and px, one pi bond is formed. Py and it is a py, one pi bond is formed. So, here how many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens. So, 2 hydrogens, hydrogen having electron in s orbital forms sigma bond. Here between 2 carbons, one sigma bond. Here sp hybridized carbon and s orbital of hydrogen atom forms a sigma bond. 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds are formed, 2 pi bonds are formed. This molecule can be represented by C triple bond, C single bond H, single bond H. It is a sigma, it is a sigma, it is a sigma, it is a pi, it is a pi. So which having how many sigma bonds? 3 sigma bonds, 2 pi bonds. Okay. So its bond angle is 180 degrees. Shape of the molecule is linear. Shape of the molecule is linear. Why? Because hybridized orbitals are in one plane. So which are linear. This is sp hybridization. Okay. And then we will discuss sp2 hybridization. Okay. And then sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. Okay. One s orbital, two p orbitals combining to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. So example C2H4. Okay. So first you have to know explanation, then we go for example. Explanation. Okay. One s orbital which is a spherical plus 2 p orbital, it is a px plus it is a py, gives rise to sp2 sp2 sp2. Okay. It is sp2 hybridization. So then you will get its shape. Okay. If you add in dotted lines, then you will get its shape, trigonal planar. So one s orbital, two p orbitals gives rise to 1, 2, 3. 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals are formed. Okay. Here s character equal to 33.3%, p character equal to 66.6%. So bond angle equal to 120 degrees, shape equal to trigonal planar. It is a bond angle. Next shape equal to trigonal planar. It is a bond angle. Okay. For example C2H4. Name of this molecule is ethene or ethylene. Ethylene. Okay. Here also carbon atomic number 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. It is ground state. It is a ground state. Then C star I am taking 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2s1, 2p3. It is excited state. It is a excited state. So here one electron from S, 3 electrons from P, then first 3 orbitals. First 3 orbitals undergoes sp2, sp1, p2, sp2 hybridization. It is unhybridized orbital which forms pi bond. We don't calculate under hybridization. So now C2H4. This type of structure which having carbon atom. So like the type of carbon atoms, so 2 carbon atoms we have. So I am taking linearly. So okay, it is a carbon sp2, sp2 and sp2. So one more carbon I am taking. So here sp2, here sp2, here sp2. So how many hydrogens it having? 4. So here hydrogen s orbital forms sigma bond. Here hydrogen, here hydrogen s orbital sigma bond. Hybridized orbitals overlap with the s orbital of hydrogen atom forming sigma bond. Here also hydrogen s orbital overlaps. Here s orbital of hydrogen overlaps, sigma, sigma. Between these two carbons, it is a carbon. It is carbon. Between these two, one sigma bond is formed. So remaining, it is a py. Okay, py, which is perpendicular to this plane. Here it is a py, here it is a py which is perpendicular to this plane. These two forms a pi bond. Here a pi bond, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sigma bonds are formed. This molecule can be represented by C, double bond C, single bond H, single bond H, single bond H, single bond H. Okay, sigma, 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 sigma. How many sigma? It is a pi. Total 5 sigma, 1 pi bond is formed. Okay. Shape of the molecule is trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. The next bond angle is 120 degrees. If you want to get such a shape, then you have to add like this. It is one trigonal planar and it is one trigonal planar. Okay. So this molecule I am taking as a linear for this carbon atom and this carbon atom. This is for sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. It is a bond angle, trigonal planar, 5 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond. Understand? Then we will discuss about sp3 hybridization. sp2 is over. Now we are going to discuss about sp3 hybridization. Okay. First explanation, then examples. Then sp3 hybridization. Explanation. Okay, one s orbital which is spherical px py pz, 3 p orbitals, one s orbital, 3 p orbitals undergoes hybridization. See, sp3, sp3, sp3 and sp3. Okay, this type of molecule is formed. If you add this in outlook structure, then you will get its shape. Okay, then it is nothing but a tetrahedron shape. One s orbital, 3 p orbitals combining to form four sp3 hybrid orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here s character equal to 25%, then p character equal to 75%, then bond angle equal to 109 degrees 28 minutes. Then shape of the molecule is tetrahedron. Shape of the molecule is a tetrahedron. Okay, so then examples. CH4, it is a methane, and then C2H6, it is a ethane. Okay, then first methane we are discussing. Methane. See here, carbon atomic number 6. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. It is a ground state. Okay. Then excited state C star, 1s2, 2s1, 2p3. It is excited state. S orbital having 1 electron, p orbitals having 3. So all orbitals undergoes hybridization, form 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. sp3 hybridization. Okay, then s p1 p2 p3 means in methane molecule all hybrid orbitals undergo hybridization, forms 4 sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3. Each orbital can form 1 sigma bond. Like that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sigma bonds are formed. So it is like this. Okay, sp3, 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 sp3. These are lobes. These are lobes. Here, how many hydrogens? 4. So 4 hydrogens having s orbital can form sigma bond. Here, hydrogen 1 electron in s orbital, which is a spherical. Here, s orbital of hydrogen sigma bond. Here, s orbital of hydrogen sigma bond. How many sigma bonds? 4 sigma bonds. This molecule can be represented like this: C single bond H, single bond H, single bond H, like this. Okay. So here, how many sigma bonds? How many sigma bonds? 4 sigma bonds. Okay. Then shape of the molecule is tetrahedron. Tetrahedron. Then bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. 109 degrees 28 minutes. Okay. So how many sigma bonds? 4 sigma bonds. So this is the way the molecule structure can be explained, CHA4. Then example 2. Example 2, C2H6. Okay. Same. In this also, carbon atom. Carbon atom. Atomic number 6. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2p2. It is ground state. Next C star, I am taking, it is excited state. 1s2, 2s1, 2p3, 1, then 2, 3, 4. Okay. All orbitals undergoes hybridization, sp3. The type of hydrogens we have 2. The type of carbons we have 2. 2 carbons act as a central atoms. So each carbon having tetrahedron shape, 4 hybrid orbitals. I am taking linearly like this. See here, it is carbon atom. Like this. One more carbon atom which having tetrahedron shape. Like this. Okay. Here sp3, sp3, sp3 and sp3. Here sp3, sp3, sp3 and sp3. How many hydrogens it having? 6. Each hydrogen having 1 electron in s orbital. S orbital shape is a spherical, sigma bond. Here s orbital shape is a spherical, overlapping with this sigma. Here sigma. Here sigma. Yes, hydrogen. It is a carbon and it is a carbon. Between these two carbons, one sigma bond is formed. Then here hydrogen s orbital sigma bond. Here hydrogen s orbital sigma bond. Here hydrogen s orbital sigma bond. Okay. This is the structure of C2, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, H6 structure molecule. It can be represented by C, single bond C, and 3 more single bonds: hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. This is a central atom. This is a central atom, and remaining are bonding atoms. Remaining all are bonding atoms. Here also, this is a central atom, remaining all are bonding atoms. This is how many sigma bonds it contains? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it contains 7 sigma bond. Next, bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. Next, shape tetrahedron. Tetrahedron. See, if you want this molecule shape, then you have to add in dotted lines. This is a tetrahedron. It is also. Then you will get a tetrahedron. Okay. So this is sp3 hybridization. That is sp2 sp3 hybridization, each one examples. Okay. Then two more hybridations are there, sp3d and sp3d2. This is important for 8 marks question. What is hybridization? Explain sp, sp2, sp3 hybridations with one examples, means you may write this for 8 marks. Then sp3d, sp3d2 for 4 marks. We are going to discuss in the next class. Okay. So what we discussed in this class means hybridization, sp hybridization example C2H2, sp2 hybridations C2H4, sp3 hybridations CH4 and C2H6. So this is specially you are going to face for 4 marks. This is for specially you are going to face individually for 4 marks. The question is total question is for 8 marks. So some individual questions also you are going to face. Okay, this is briefly. Got it? So you have to work hard on chemistry. So if you comparing to remaining subjects for MPC or BPC, whatever it may be, chemistry is some typical subject. So if you work more, then you will get a success.